I'm going to review a brand new AI tool called Zap Agent. And trust me, this one is crazy powerful. And in this video, I will show you how it works, what makes it different from other tools, and I will also cover its features, demo, and all the OTOs. So you will know exactly what you are getting before you buy. But before we dive into the main product and see exactly what it can do, I want to quickly talk about the exclusive bonuses you will get if you grab it through my link. I have handpicked some amazing tools, software, and training that will save you time, help you grow faster, and get the most out of your purchase. So, if you want to check out all the bonuses in detail, I have created a special bonus page for you. You will find the link in the video description below. Make sure to check it out so you know exactly what you are getting along with Zap Agent. So now let's talk about what exactly Zap Agent. Well, Zap Agent is like your personal sales assistant but powered completely by AI. It's actually the world's first fully autonomous AI agent that works directly inside WhatsApp. That means you don't need any website, email list, or even your own product to use it. Zap Agent can automatically find potential customers, talk to them, follow up, and even close sales for you. Everything runs on autopilot, and the best part is powered by GPT-4 technology, which is the same advanced AI that understands and replies like a real human. So when it chats with your leads, it doesn't sound robotic or fake. It actually sounds natural, like a real conversation that builds trust and helps you make sales. Alright, now let's watch the demo video. Alright, now let's talk about the pricing and funnel, or in the simple words, all the different versions of Zap Agent that you can get. So the main version, also called the front end, costs just $17. With this, you get the full Zap Agent software along with the commercial license. That means you can use it not just for yourself, but also to offer WhatsApp automation services to clients and charge them for it. Then comes Audio 1. Zap Agent Unlimited, which costs $67 or $47 during discount. This one removes all the limits, so you can generate unlimited leads, send unlimited messages, and create unlimited funnels. Basically, it unlocks the full power of Zap Agent. Next is the OTO 2 done for you, priced at $297 or $197. In this version, the team set up everything for you, the campaigns, templates, automations, all done and ready to go. So if you don't want to spend time setting things up manually, this is a big time saver. Then we have the OTO 3 automation, which is $47 or $27. This adds advanced automation tools and scheduling features, so Zap Agent can run even more tasks on complete autopilot. Then OTO 4 Income Maximizer. Again, $47 or $27 gives you tested and proven templates that are designed to increase your conversions and sales. Then there is OTO 5 Limitless Buyer Traffic for $97 or $77, which helps you get real traffic from multiple sources. It's great if you're just starting out and don't have a big audience yet. Then OTO 6 Cloned Affiliate Profits, $67 or $47 gives you ready-made affiliate campaigns that are already proven to make money. Then there is OTO 7 Mobile Payday, priced at $47 or $27. Lets you manage your Zap Agent campaigns directly from your mobile phone, so you can run your business and make sales even when you are not on your computer. Then comes OTO 8 Reseller License, which is $197. This one's for those who want to sell Zap Agent as their own product and keep 100% of the profit. And finally, OTO 9 DFI Profit Site, which costs $47, gives you a complete ready-to-use profit website that you can use to promote Zap Agent or any other offers you want. So yeah, these are all the upgrades available. You can start with just the front-end version and later unlock the ones you need as your business grows. So if you have ever wanted to automate your WhatsApp business or make more sales without paying for expensive tools or monthly subscriptions, then Zap Agent is definitely worth checking out. It's beginner friendly, it's powerful, and it can save you hours of manual work every single day. So yeah, if you want to see how it works or grab it, the link is in the description below. Go check it out.